YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with some quick fix videos for you guys on Pentair's Racer pressure side pool cleaner. This will work for both the Racer regular model as well as the Racer LS. Stay tuned as we dive right in. Alright guys, and we're back. So again, today we have another quick fix video for you guys on Pentair's Racer pressure side pool cleaner. This will work for both the Racer and the Racer LS model. For today's video, we actually want to show you guys how to remove the button located right here at your bag. It's actually the button that will help keep the collar kit down onto the cleaner. So we're going to show you guys how to take that off and just show you guys the main purpose of that and show you guys how to replace it. So first thing, if you guys want to know how we already tore down to where we are right now with the wheels gone off the cleaner, make sure you guys check out that link in the description. We got a full playlist of tearing this cleaner apart from the outside in. Make sure you guys subscribe because we got a ton more headed your way for all types of cleaners out there right now on the market. So again though, for today's video, we just want to show you guys how to replace this rubber button. So first thing, just remove the actual bag itself from the top of the cleaner so that you guys can get access to just this actual main tube here. And then once you guys have done that, most of the time this button just tends to fall off in the water over time. As I can just take it off, you're just going to get your finger onto one side and it kind of just peels off. You guys can see it only has these two little prongs on the back that actually just kind of pressure fit into this main tube that comes up through the center of the cleaner. So it doesn't really sit on there. There's no glue. This is a brand new cleaner, so there's no adhesive whatsoever to hold this button on, but it does look cool with Pentair's logo on it, and it does allow you to be able to locate easier to get the bag off. So when you're looking to put the new one on, which we do have these available for sale in the links in the description, you're just going to go ahead and grab your new one, go ahead and fold it over the actual form here on this main tube, and then you're just going to kind of push it in. So this part, since it is the main button for the actual bag, it's already going to kind of sink in. So you guys do want to make sure that you kind of hold it from the back as well, just to make sure you get it all nice and flush up to the face of the cleaner there. So once you get that on, then you got your pretty logo ready to go. You're going to go ahead and just take your bag, which again, your bag collar is specific for that button, so it actually has a full cutout. So you're just gonna go ahead, slide the bag collar back on, and then get this thing back in the water and go. So I really appreciate you guys watching. We want to show you guys how to get this button off of the front of the bag clip here for you guys. I'm Kyle with ePoolSupply. We'll see you next time.